Hello and welcome to 𝐊𝐶𝐞 TV. James Preston with you live from Sydney for the Stocks in Action show. In this show we focus on the key updates from ASX listed companies and we'll also take a look at the Australian share market more broadly. Let's start by taking a look at the stocks that are under the spotlight, beginning with Neuren Pharmaceuticals, who today announced that its US partner for trofinetide, Acadia Pharmaceuticals, has finally completed the enrolment process in the Lavender Phase 3 trial of trofinetide in Rett syndrome and is on track for top-line results in the fourth quarter of 2021. Trofinetide is a potential therapy for Rett syndrome being developed by Neuren Pharmaceuticals. Lavender is a randomised, double-blind, placebo-controlled Phase 3 trial testing treatment of approximately 180 patients for 12 weeks with trofinetide or a placebo. Rett syndrome is a debilitating neurodevelopmental disorder likely to affect between 1 in 10,000 males and 1 in 15,000 females worldwide. A range of severe impairments emerge in infancy, affecting nearly every aspect of the child's life, their ability to speak, walk, eat, and even breathe. There are currently no medicines approved for Rett syndrome. Meanwhile, the development and marketing of trofinetide in North America is fully funded by Acadia. Neuren will be getting potential milestone payments of up to $455 million US. Along with this, the company will receive royalties on net sales of trofinetide in North America, plus 1/3 of the market value of a rare pediatric disease priority review voucher if awarded by the FDA upon approval of a new drug application for trofinetide. Further, Neuren has free and full access to all data for use in countries outside of North America. Moving on now to news surrounding uranium and iron ore explorer Deep Yellow. Its shares were trading up on Thursday after the company reported a Phase 1 follow-up reverse circulation drill program at 𝐊𝐴𝐺𝐸𝐾, which is part of the Nova joint venture project in Namibia. 𝐊𝐴𝐺𝐸𝐾 North prospect comprises of 14 holes, for which drilling commenced on the 12th of July and is set to be completed by mid-September. 4 holes of just over 1,000 metres are complete, with all holes intersecting uranium mineralisation. 1 hole out of 4 notably has the best mineralisation so far. It remains mineralised till the end of the hole, and drilling continues to highlight the highly prospective nature of 𝐊𝐴𝐺𝐸𝐾 North. It also has potential mineralisations open to the southeast to east and at depth. Further drilling is currently progressing to test the extension of the mineralisation to the southeast. It's set to commence after Phase 1 of drilling is completed in mid-September. Shifting gears now to Australian kaolin producer Suvo. Its shares were trading flat as the company announced today that it has executed a memorandum of understanding with 𝐕𝐢𝐝 Catalyst Corporation. 𝐕𝐢𝐝 was co-founded in 2010 by Dr. Zhu Rushing, the technology holder, and Shang Resources, the second largest supplier of the rare earths globally. Under the binding memorandum of understanding, the two parties will work together to develop tailor-made premium kaolin products and also technical solutions. They'll work towards defining a long-term supply agreement with guaranteed commercial terms and supply quantities for a period of 5 to 10 years. Suvo considers the purchase order from a new customer combined with Suvo's entry into a new market segment for high-valued refined kaolin products is considered to be a material step for the company. 𝐕𝐝 is headquartered in Chengdu, China, and as per the announcement is probably one of the highest performing, most innovative companies in the industry as a leading global catalyst, zeolite and also molecular sieve producer. 𝐕𝐝 has existing annual production capacity of 50,000 tonnes of various catalyst and molecular sieves, the official statement read. Now in just a moment we will take a look at tech producer 𝐷𝐴𝐴𝑖, but first a quick break on 𝐊𝐶𝐞 TV.
Tune in to stay updated while on the move.
We will tell you where the crypto craze has reached,
where the property market is headed next,
what the world is doing to become more environmentally friendly,
apart from tracking the daily market charter.
Be on top of the latest news and announcements
with 𝐊𝐶𝐞 TV.
Welcome back, James Preston live with you from Sydney, and it's great to have your company for the Stocks in Action show exclusive to 𝐾𝐿 TV. This program brings you the latest updates for the ASX listed companies, and it's time now to turn our attention to 𝐷𝐴𝐴𝐼. Shares of 𝐷𝐴𝐴𝐼 were trading up on Thursday after the company shared that it has extended its agreement with Medtronic for a further 6 months following continued success of their partnership. Medtronic, headquartered in Dublin, Ireland, is a medical technology, services and solutions company working towards alleviating pain, restoring health and extending life. The agreement extension is worth approximately $171,000 on top of around $330,000 from the Master Service Agreement, which was announced in March 2021. 𝐷𝐴𝐴𝐼 will go on to leverage its technology in the data capture and analysis workstreams, leading to an optimised, customisable product in line with Medtronic's objectives. Both parties believe the agreement will further validate 𝐷𝐴𝐴𝐼's technology as an international healthcare organisation that continues to rely on the data-driven insights. And lastly, we need to take a look at clinical drug developer Emyria. Emyria's shares were trading flat after the company announced its exclusive agreement with the University of Western Australia to develop a novel psychedelics pipeline. As per the agreement, Emyria will be examining and expanding a unique proprietary library similar to the existing MDMA-like compounds for the past 10 years. MDMA is a synthetic drug that alters mood and also perception. The analogues will be engaging different neurological targets and elicit potentially unique clinical and neurocognitive effects. As per the release, emerging treatments like psychedelic-assisted therapy have significantly high potential. The need is to further invest and innovate into new drugs, technologies and care models. These can improve efficacy, safety and access for patients, and with the agreement, Emyria has got a chance to develop a unique drug discovery in its pipeline. In addition, it will also assist the company to become a leader in psychedelic-assisted therapies and also treatments for major neurological disorders. Alright, and just before we wrap up the show, it's time to take a very quick glimpse at developments across equity and commodity markets. Let's start with the S&P, and the S&P ASX 200 is down just 5.2 points today. Reece Limited is down 2.77%, while Worley Limited is down 2.55%, and 6 of the 11 sectors are trading higher, along with the S&P ASX 200 index. Information technology is the best performing sector, while energy is trading lower. Alright then, that's all for now, but stay tuned to 𝐾𝐿 TV for more live market updates. We'll be back with more news on markets, the economy and diverse themes and sectors shortly. I'm James Preston for 𝐾𝐿 TV.